accounting package in ERP Plus is not only accounting system, it is a complete package to manage completely your company as it is a building. Accounting is one and the core of the assets of the resources of your company. It is directly connected to the e-invoice system if your country has its invoicing system, like in Zambia, in Saudi Arabia, in Egypt. If you have something related to the e-receipts or the point of sale, this will be directly connected to the accounting system. Accounting system will include purchasing, inventory, HR, and it is totally connected to the core modules with the accounting. Beside that, we can connect directly to the CRM, the Customer Relationship Management, with the customer portal, including online payment with Visa and MasterCard for the invoices for any dues to the customers. And it includes also mobile application for the customer. Sometimes we need to connect to the vendors with the tenders, purchase orders, and everything related to the purchasing connected directly to the accounting as well. So the vendors also, they may have vendor portal including the full service they may need from the company, and it is directly connected to one system. Set of mobile applications we can find here. It is including at the same building, which is your company, your digital transformation package completely for the accounting management. The vendor portal is also connected to the website, and the social media and the websites is connected to the marketing. Both of them are connected to one organization, connected to the CRM for the lead generation, and connected to the vendor to acquire more qualified vendors registered directly from the website. You may have something related to your industry, very specific, which is the plus behind the ERP. That's why we call it ERP Plus. If your industry is automotive, project management based, construction, whatever, real estate, whatever the industry you have, it should be built over and above what is exactly we mentioned here from the whole departments, including the ISO standards in the whole organization management, the processes, the business processes, everything related to the core apps, including the accounting package. That's why we are calling it ERP Plus, because ERP is the core apps and the plus is for your industry.
Although the lead generation and real estate industry is the most important point, most of the applications are focusing on that, but we have to follow the complete cycle, starting from the website lead generation, and then it should be connected to your internal CRM with the lead management, follow-up, visits, and then it should go to the reservation form to be created directly from the system, and then we should go to the contracting and create the contract directly from the CRM based on the previous steps. Not only that, we have to follow the collection after the sales, and then we have to go to the next step, which is the master plan management with the reservation done and many other functions inside the CRM in ERP Plus. Meanwhile, we have another very important point, which is the after sales service. If we have something related to the customer service, if you are going to add a ticket for the customer, you have to check the financial situation and the legal situation for each customer, and it should be clear to each one to understand what is the nature of the relation between the company and that customer. Meanwhile, while we are going to deliver units to a customer, we have to know that what is the status of the unit inside each project, what is the unit status from the legal and the financial situation to decide either to deliver the unit or we have to settle something related to other departments. Meanwhile, we have a very important thing, which is the mobile application. Mobile application is to manage the lead generation, the lead generated from the marketing, and it should directly send to the sales to directly contact the customer either by phone, by WhatsApp, without saving the number of the customer. So it's facilitating everything related to the customer relationship management in real estate. Also, we have a very important point. If we have a location for the customer, it is directly connected to the customer location from the CRM profile for each customer. Not only that, we have another thing related to the agenda. It is sorting the agenda of the meetings and the management for the every single function for the sales, and they can check what was the last status with that customer, and I can directly contact him from the mobile application. Also the units, we can manage the units from the mobile application directly. What is available, what is reserved, what is sold, I can check it directly from the mobile. Master plan is one of the most important point. I can check the availability of the units as it is shown from the web application. It is also available on the mobile application directly from for the sales, and they can share directly the data of the customer through WhatsApp, through email, whatever the point you are going to share with the customer directly. This is not only the mobile application who's managing the process of the real estate industry. We have another very important point, which is the CXO. CXO is a mobile application. We have another detailed video for that, but here we have to focus only on the real estate. It is just dashboard for everything happening in your real estate company, starting from the call center behavior and the sales, then it's going to the interested leads, dashboard regarding the lead sources, lead status, who is interested, who is not, and then lead request sources from the marketing channels, every single information on your own pocket directly in your CXO mobile application. Another thing, this is not only related to the real estate industry. We have to know that we have a company. Company means that we have to have every single resource inside the company to be managed from one place. Employees, attendance, payroll, which is the HR, and we have the accounting with the full accounting modules starting from the general ledger, account receivable, account payable, and then the banks and treasuries, letter of guarantees, budgeting, everything related to the accounting, and it is connected directly to Aqaraty or the real estate module, directly from the Aqaraty module directly to the accounting, to the financial statement, everything inside one system. Purchasing, project management, if you have something related to the project management, inventory, whatever the modules, all of your company department are only in one place in ERPPlus. Hope this just clarify or just summarize how we can manage every single department in your real estate company just in a glance in your mobile application and accessible through the web application from ERPPlus.